With the help of VLOOKUP, we can transfer our data from one sheet to another sheet in same workbook. We can even transfer our data from one workbook to another workbook. So first, we will see how can we transfer our data from one sheet to another sheet. So this is our sheet 2 in first workbook, in which I have a table. These are the fields: employee ID, name, department, section and salary. In sheet 1, I have same table, employee ID, name, department, but I want to fill section and salary fields of this table from sheet 2 table. For that, we use VLOOKUP equals to VLOOKUP within bracket. First I have to give lookup value, so E01 is my lookup value, comma, then I have to give table array. For that I have to go to sheet 2, I will select whole table, comma, then I have to give column index number. First I want to fill section field. For that I will give 1, 2, 3 and 4 column index number, comma, I want exact result, I am giving 0 for that. Close the bracket, enter. So employee ID E01 has section AA. We can check it. Yes, it is AA. Now we will drag and drop for all the sections. We will do same thing for salary, equals to VLOOKUP within bracket. Here I am going to fix the column, not the row. For that I will give $sign A. Now column A is fixed. I don't want to fix the row because employee IDs are changing in each and every row. Employee ID, for that I will give 2, comma. Now I have to give table array. I will go to sheet 2, select the table, comma. Then I have to give column index number. Here salary is in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th column. I will write 5, and for exact match I will write 0 or false. Enter. So 60,000 is the total salary of employee ID E01. You can check. Same. Now here we will drag and drop it. This way we can transfer data from one sheet to another sheet in same workbook. Now we will see same thing, like we want to transfer data from one workbook to another workbook. So this is my first workbook. I am considering sheet 2 and I am opening another workbook. This is my second workbook. Here I have got the same table. Now in section field I want to get data from previous workbook. So we will write equals to VLOOKUP within bracket. I have to give lookup value. This is the lookup value, comma, then I have to give table array. For that I will go to previous workbook. This is the table array I want, comma, then I have to give column index number. Here column index number is 4. I will write 4 here, comma, for exact match I am writing false. I got this. Now drag and drop it. For salary I am doing the same, equals to VLOOKUP within bracket I am giving lookup value, comma, table array. This is a table array, comma, column index number which is 5, comma, for exact match I am writing 0 or false. So this is 60,000.